started the recording. Yo, look at this cell, guys. Fuck. This cell is crazy. I know I didn't get in anything on the phone, but I'm already in this trade, like I said. I'm already in this shit. I think someone else messaged me today. Yep, K Ramsey, we are in the same boat. We are in the same boat. I sold it, so I'm still holding this shit. I'm up $1,100. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, hopefully we get a trade for you all at 9:30. There's a 9:45 news today too, so that too. That's gonna move the market for the day, and I'm really looking at bearish momentum for the day. That's what I'm looking at for the day, guys. I'm looking at bearish price for the day, and I think it's gonna go a lot lower. It's very, like I said, it's very dumb to just sell right here. I already sold it for London, so that's, you know, what I'm doing for the day. Yo, this is sick. This is sick what's happening. I'm still in this trade. Still in this trade that I took last night, guys. Just so I can be clear, nothing was taken on the call. It's those trades that I took. So, good stuff, man. Good stuff. I would love to see a retracement though, just because I do want to enter on another account. Oh man, I really hope it does retrace. I would like to see a retracement so I can get in. Oh man. Let me see NASDAQ. You know, NASDAQ has not been following US30 at all. Like, it just been like pushing up, doing it's really been pushing up more than anything. So that's that with the NAS. Let me see dollar. Dollar's pushing up. Right, dollar's really pushing up. Look, wait a second. The volume imbalance pushed up. Let me see US30 again. I'm really leaning in towards the bearish side for the day. It's looking very nice. Very nice for the day. To just keep this momentum, you know, keep this momentum. I want to see shallow retracements for the day. I'm so bearish on the markets today that I just want to see shallow retracements and just die and go to the downside. Like, shallow retracement drop. And that's what we've been seeing too. Like, the retracements have been weak. Like, weak retracements. But it's at very key levels. Look, open weak volume imbalance. Look where the market sold off, guys. Look, volume imbalance right here, right? The market opened up with the volume imbalance. What did I tell you guys before? You know, the wicks does the stop run. The bodies of the candles tell the story. Look at what happened here. Look at the volume imbalance right here. This green level that I have marked. Look at where the bodies of the candles stop. Let me go ahead and let me change the color on this so everyone can see. Let's make it like pink. Let's make it darker. Look, guys, see it? Making it dark and light. Dark and light. See the bodies of that candle inside those levels? Now I'm making it dark and light right now, right? Dark and light. And now I'm going to go ahead and look at it with the naked eye. Now do you see it? Do you fucking see it now? Volume imbalance right here. Look at the bodies of the candles and the wicks that doing the stop run. Right, the wicks doing the stop run right here, dropping. But overall, respecting that, you know, volume imbalance right here for the execution. So crazy. Right, looking crazy right now. Right. Go ahead and make this green again. And let's just watch this thing drop, guys. Let's watch this thing drop. I want to see shallow retracements. I'm very weak in price action. About 13 minutes left till stock market open. Let's see what happens, guys. Ideally, I just want to see this thing drop. Like, very shallow retracement and drop. Shallow, and I'm gonna wait for that shallow retracement to happen on the 1 minute and just get in. Like, I'm just like right now. I'm like focusing on speed of me getting in and shit. Cause I feel like the market's just gonna move and not even give opportunities like that. So that's little bit of opportunity window that you see. I'm just gonna get in. I'm just gonna get in. Right. Because I feel like it'll give just enough time for a trader to enter. Just enough time for that. Looking at how fast it's moving, guys. Guys, I speak shit into existence, guys. Everything I am saying right here ain't no cap. I do this every day, you know. Every day, by the end of the day, I end up proving it, you know. So Damn, this thing is fucking. Yep, I know. Flash services PMI 945. I saw that. Yep. But yeah, guys, you know my trades, come into existence almost every single day, guys. Almost every single day, my trades are hitting. You just have to be very It's gotta be very skilled with the timing of everything. You gotta be very skilled of not fucking trying to itch to get in another trade right away or right after a loss. You just gotta be very mindful of your own account, which your own profitable, what you're capable of doing. Shit like that. Right. So anyone that just hopped on this, I'm talking about a sell that I already took last night. Right? I didn't sleep last night. I took a sell for London. Right? I took this shallow gap tap right here. I took this volume bounce trade. I'm expecting lower prices for the day. I'm continuing to hold this trade right now. I'm continuing to hold this trade. So Hill, you're gonna always say that every single day. Like I know. You're gonna have shaky hands. Even tomorrow, the next day, it's always gonna be like that, man. You're still developing as a trader. I've been seeing this for a while from you. I see that a lot from most of you guys too. Like, shaky hands, closed out. Got in early. Closed out 20 pips. Like, I don't need to hear that all the time because I already developed way past like how you're trading and stuff. So me going over it constantly is just gonna distract me. It's just gonna distract me and how I'm developing. Like, you're still developing. I don't know what to tell you. You got shaky hands. You got shaky hands. I don't know what you want me to say. Like, literally, what do you want me to say? You got shaking hands? I don't. Now what? Like, sometimes you guys kind of, put me on the spot where it's like, what do you want me to say? Like, what? Just trying to say, I don't know. You just watch me every day. You're seeing how I get over it. And you already saw how I was still, anxious yesterday on yesterday's trade, but I still held it. Like, I don't think you can get over emotions in trading. You just gotta... It's probably because you're really down. Like, you probably lost hella bread in general from trading. So it's like you're just always trying to close out. You're always seeing a loss and you're just closing out quick. Whatever it is in your trading. Right? Guys, I hear that shit all the time, I got shaky hands. I closed out too early. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. How did I overcome fear in the markets? Honest, just showing up every day, knowing what I'm looking at every day. That helped me. I can name a million things that helped me, I can't give you one straight answer to that question. That person that just asked that, how'd you get overcome shaky hands? I can't answer it in one question. I can, over time, I'll give you bits and pieces. Like, as it comes to my head, I'll point it out. Like, oh, this is an instance where it's helping me, get rid of shaky hands. I'll point it out like that. And maybe the next day or the day after, I'll point out something else, in my experience. So I can't give you that answer in a day. Right? Long story short, I can't give you that answer in a day. Can't. What I just said, what I gave you the answer, that's part of the answer, right? What I just said right now, showing up, that's part of it. I'll give you more answers down the line as it's coming to my head. I don't got a list looking at, oh, he asked this question. I don't got a list right now. I do everything on top of my head. On these calls, these trades, everything, I'm doing it on top of my head, on the fly. Right? I'm a fucking beast on this shit. I do this shit every fucking day. Right? Do shit on the fly all the time. And that's how I'm about to be when I'm trading next week on vacation. I'm about to be taking trades on the fly and still be lit. Wait, it is about to be 9:30, guys. Anyone that just hopped on the call, I'm talking about a sell that I already took last night. I already explained the sell real quick. I took it based on a volume bounce right here and a 1 minute chart. I took it on a shallow tap shallow gap tap. I just got in right here. Right, I made a quick little lesson on how to enter in on gaps when you don't know if it's gonna do a shallow tap or do a complete fill all the way. All you do is just measure the gap like this, and just see if it's worth getting in early or not. Because sometimes like the market will be right here, and it can just not hit the gap and then drop. Sometimes you gotta think, is it even worth the next candle to just jump up here for only like a 10 pip jump, just to drop another 100 plus pips? Sometimes you gotta think about these things and be like, alright, decide if you want to just get in early. Those are things that I do in my trading. Like get in early like that. Then me doing it like this in this style, I've been finding myself being in trades more often than not that actually hit. Right, trades like that, make me net profitable by the end of the week. Like I took a trade like this. This could be that one trade that helps me be net profit for the week. Who knows? I don't know what the future holds. I just trade every day and just hope for the, literally, I just trade every day and hope for the best every single morning. Right? I don't know, like even though I'm really good at what I do, I don't know 100% if I'm gonna hit today or not. Right? I try to come with that attitude though. I try to come with that positive attitude, like I am gonna hit and shit, and I actually do, which is crazy. But yeah, you guys will just learn a lot with me over time, guys. You guys will learn a lot over time. And when I answer one of your questions, it might just be part of an answer, right? Later on, I might add on to that question that you have. I'll be like, oh, I remember someone asked me a question on that. Here's an example right now in live price action for that. Someone else, told me about, trading a stop run. How do you trade a stop run? We can trade a stop run, and I just gave an example of that now, of how you can trade a stop run itself in the market. Was it yesterday, that push up, that buy that we caught? Any other newbie trader was like, Bill, it reversed, the market reversed here. That wasn't even a real setup. It was because it gave you time to enter it and moved 100 pips, and you saw profit. You saw profit on this trade. Like plenty of time to enter and get in before the trade. It doesn't matter. As long as you make money right here, 100 pips, and you're able to close out on time, $3,000, like you're good. Doesn't matter what happens after that. Right, approaching 9:30. This is a gap that I just outlined this gap right now. I would like to see that gap tap. Where's my phones? I can see that happening, right? It is 9:26 right now. Yeah, fuck it. I just got in a sell on US30. I just got in that sell. I'm in that sell, guys. I am in US30 sell right now. I just executed on that sell. The range is a pretty decent range. I feel like I saw at this high right here. I saw at that high. Go ahead and do that right now. Got in this trade, guys. I got in this trade. I'm in the sell on the call right now. Executed on the sell on US30. We are in US30 sell right now. It just hit that 1 minute gap right here. It could do, another candle could tap in there like this, but I'm already in this shit. Already in this sell. Hopefully it just dies right at stock open. The next 3 minutes, guys. In the next 3 minutes, I want to see this thing tank. I want to see it drop. Really hope that happens for the day. Oh man. More people getting in here. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We took a US30 sell right now. Right, I'm in a US30 sell. It is in that 1 minute gap right now. Better fucking drop, yo. A better drop. Look, NAS is also. I'm gonna leave NAS alone. I'm just gonna leave NAS alone. I'm gonna leave Nas alone for the day. Just mess with US30. Right. Really respect this 1 minute gap. And also 9:45. There's a red folder news at 9:45. Look out for that too. Red folder news. That's gonna move the market. Yo, it's in there. It's also in a 5 minute gap. Yo, it gotta drop, guys. It gotta drop. Gotta drop in 5 minute gap, 1 minute gap. It's looking good to me. To me, it is looking good. Oh man. It's gotta drop here, guys. It's gotta drop here. 1 more minute. 10 seconds till the open of stock market open. Right, 1 more minute. Let's go. 1 more minute. The retrace. I already got in the sell, guys. I'm already in the sell on US30. Hopefully this retracement is it. It's already retracing. It's already pushing up and getting people to feel uncertain, right? Which is good, right? It's good, right? I like when it does that, cause well, I don't like when it's doing that to me, you know. But it's looking like it wants to drop, right? We already got in this sell. We already in this shit. Hopefully it just tanks right at open. Right? How many minutes? 17 seconds till stock market open. We are in this sell. It's tanking already right now. Come on. Come on. We need to see this drop. We need to see this drop. We need to see this drop, guys. We need to see this drop. 5 seconds. 5 seconds till stock market open. You better fucking keep tanking. You better keep tanking US30. That's it. That's it. You showed your hands. You showed your hands already. Come on. You showed your hands. Just drop. You fucking showed your hands. Fucking drop. Fucking drop. Let's go. 2,000 bucks I'm up right now on this. 2,000 bucks. I'm up 2 bands right now. 2,000. Yeah, I think I'm fucking capping. Oh man. I got in this trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this trade. Come on. Was it not called before it happened? It was called before it happened. Let's fucking go. Let me see this. Yep, I took London trades too, bro. I took London trades too. That's the screen. I made 3 bands last night. And I'm still gonna continue holding this trade. Oh my god, look at this trade. Look at this trade. Look at this trade. Look at this fucking trade. Oh my god, we are up right now. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 2.3K. I'm up $1,700 on this account. 2.6K on this account. Let me switch over to this account. This account, I am up $600. I'm fucking on a different fucking level right now. I'm on a different fucking level. I don't even gotta fucking be on these because I don't make no fucking money off of it. Yeah, time to rip on you guys. I make no fucking money off you guys. Why the fuck am I on this call, huh? Why the fuck am I on this call for it? I make so much bread trading. I could make so much more bread just trading on my own and being in my own little mind, right? Being my own in my fucking world and fucking leveraging properly. Right? Most of you guys probably didn't even fucking get in that trade anyway, so it's like, why the fuck am I on these calls? Some of you